Thank you, Amaya, and happy Halloween, everyone. Last Friday, students, faculty, and community members at Berea College came to the Undergraduate Research Symposium right here in the MAC building to see what students were doing over the summer. The Undergraduate Symposium was held from 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. Both oral presentations and poster presentations were ongoing from students in a variety of majors, including biology, physics, engineering, chemistry, mathematics, humanities, and computer science. I spoke to some of these students about their summer research and their concluding thoughts regarding their individual studies.
So my research was focused on College in 4, and more specifically the NC1 domain of College in 4. Our research was trying to really figure out the structure of it, and that would help us better understand the mechanisms and how it relates to gastrulation.
So my poster's over combinatorial game theory, and I chose to do it over the game called Takeaway on a graph. And I specifically chose to do tripartite graphs, which are these sorts of graphs here, and examine what are called NIM values of those graphs. So basically the mathematical way to win a game on a graph like this.
All right, so our research was centered around education and mathematics because we noticed that there was always a disconnect in school systems in terms of children enjoying and liking math and excelling at it. So what we wanted to do was look deeper and further, and so we focused on unsolved problems. Unsolved problems are problems that don't really have an answer to it, and we managed to make fun interactive activities. As you can see, we had like a cup competition, and we took them outside, and we made math more enjoyable and fun for them.
This summer, I had an internship at the World Wildlife Center. It's an animal rehab center. I went over the basic things that I did. I prepared a lot of diets for other animals. I learned how to feed babies and do injections for animals. And this is like a basic setup that I did for some of our ambassadors. So basic cleanings. Also got to help with some releasing of animals after they had gotten better.
My project is about deciphering discoidin domain receptor 1 mutations that result in constitutive activation. What that's about is there's a receptor on the cell membrane of kidney cells that result in like activation of various downstream pathways that contribute to physiological functions of the kidney. And we're looking at mutations on the discoidin domain receptor in order to see if we can make it constitutively active, which means it's always active without the presence of a ligand.
With the fall semester coming to an end, these research symposiums are coming to a close. However, to learn more about undergraduate research or internship presentations, check Beyond Berea, your email, or sign up for the bi-weekly math lunches. Reporting from the MAC building, Matt Carmack, BCN Weekly Report. Happy Halloween.